As a summary, we discuss about EDCDIC, which is extended binary coded decimal interchange code having 8 bits, 256 unique symbols, which is introduced by IBM. Then about ASCII and EASCII. Right? Do you need to take a screenshot of this also? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So then the ASCII table, this is how it's read, right? So please note, and so this is how ASCII is read. So it's taken from this side first. So this is so letter A is read as 100, then 0001, 100, 0001. So value is in hex side is 41. So what is the value of L? Can you tell what is the value of L in ASCII?
100, 1100.
Yes, what is the hexa value?
4 and 12.
412? 12, we are not going to write like that.
No, A, B, C, 4C.
4Z, yeah, 4Z is the value. Okay, so likewise, so maybe in the examination, the point is in the examination, they can give like this, they can ask, okay, so value of A is 41 in hexa. Then, so they will ask what is value of 4A is given. Then they will ask what is the value of L, or what is the value of I. So that kind of thing they can ask in the exam. Okay, then Unicode, the last one is Unicode in the O-level syllabus, but there are more, right? There are more. So last one is Unicode, and Unicode is idea is giving a unique code. Unique code. That means all these number systems are addressing English language only. But what about Sinhala language? What about Tamil language? What about Arabic? What about Mandarin, Chinese? And what about Japanese? So likewise, there are many languages in the world and many symbols are there. If you have only one, that means only one pack, so it is making for English, then what you have to do if you want to write some other language, so usual or the traditional way is changing the font. A traditional way of doing that is changing the font. If I want to write hello, so you can write in any English font. And if you want to write in something in Sinhala, then you have to go and change the font. Then you can write that in Sinhala. Right, you have to write in Sinhala. But so when you select both, you can see, so this is undefined. When you select both, this shows it's undefined. You cannot see a single font. So that is the issue. Because if you send this file to someone else, so what they have to do? They have to select the section related to Sinhala, select the section related to English, and change the font accordingly. That is a mess. Because they don't know what part in English, what part in Sinhala. Maybe some parts are there in Tamil, some parts are there in some other language also. So that section to section, they have to change the font. That is a trouble. But the idea of Unicode is if you have, hello, let's say same, I'm going to use Skolapota, which is a Unicode support font. Hello. Then if I want to write something in Sinhala, I can use the phonetic keyboard and I can write hello. Right, likewise, I can write in Sinhala. But the thing is, see, font is not changing. If I select all, font is same, not changing. So if I send this document to someone else, what is?
No. The font's name.
Skolapota. Yeah, that is read that Skolapota. Skoola pota wage thama වෙන්නේ, but the name is right. Skoola pota. So that is what there, right? Okay. So then anyway, so you can see everything is written in a single font. So that is the idea of Unicode. But Unicode has 16-bit, which has 65,536 unique symbols in 16-bit version, and 30 there's another version, 32-bit version, that has 4 billion characters, which is maybe enough for the universe, right? So that is Unicode, right? So that is called Unicode. That anyway, first 1 to 8 characters to respect the adults. First 1 to 8 characters in the Unicode is same as ASCII. Right? First 1 to 8 characters in the Unicode, the code is same as ASCII. That is to respect your adults, right? Anyway, so take a screenshot of this as well and understand the concept behind Unicode. Right? This is how the representation happened as a whole.
Okay, sir.
Right. So then, so yeah, we discussed that part, and okay, just we can ignore that. Okay, let's come to the mathematical scenario now. So now you know the background, why you learn number system, you know that. Why you learn number systems, what's the reason, and why we have to focus on number systems. Because in the computer, it uses different representation method, whereas we see the things as images, audio, video, and characters, letters, numbers, languages. That is how we see the things, but computers see everything in binary. Right? That is the main reason to represent, so know about this number system. The first one is decimal, that is our system. So I would like to explain this as a summary. In our number system, or the natural number system that we are using,